graduates, visitors, friends, parents, MoMA faculty and staffs, Reverend Monsignor Florio R. Falcon, guest speaker, Dr. Ritaville Espina Elorde, SPO for Almer Bacolod. To all of us, welcome to this momentous event. Before anything else, I want to thank Almighty God for giving me this great opportunity. Then, my parents, thank you very much for all the support, encouragement, love and guidance you are always giving to me. Thank you very much for being such a great parents. I love you, Ma and Pa. To the faculty and staffs of Mother of Mercy Academy, thank you very much for your passion to nurture us, not just as good students, but as worthy citizens in our community. High school life is like using Facebook. It's up to us how we handle our pages, how we expose or hide who we truly are. Yet either way, we always mark impressions to the people who view us. My dear batchmates, as I stand in front of you together with this great opportunity, I want to share a little advice, an advice from my heart. And I hope you can find something in my words that will help you along your way in your lives. Love yourself. It's the only one you've got. Do what makes you happy. Don't let yourself be miserable in any aspect of your life. Remember, everything happens for a reason. You might feel bad when the things you want were not met up for you. You might feel upset as well when the things you hope for a long time was not given to you. But did you ever realize that there might be something better along your way? Yes, it did happen because something better that will boast or compliment you more than what you wish for is along the way. Only you know what makes you happy. So live in the place you want to live. Marry the person whom you truly love. Work at a job which you enjoy. Give yourself plenty of reasons to wake up in the morning. Put your heart into everything you do. You have to be passionate about things in life. You accomplish things only when you really care what you are doing. Sometimes we fall. Sometimes we get hurt. And sometimes we tend to give up. This is not a battle about winning. This is about standing up. So don't be afraid at your downfalls, because in every bruise you receive and every time you fall is a lesson learned. Don't let anyone bring you down or make you feel worthless. Not everyone is going to like you. That's just the way life goes. That doesn't make you inferior to anyone else. Don't let anyone ever tell you differently. Just always remember, each of us is a wonderful person. So smile a lot, laugh a lot, and be nice to everyone you meet. Build yourself up when people try to break you down. And most of all, don't take anything for granted, because some things only come once in our lives. Guys, we are about to sign out in our own Facebook world. But the things we've shared, the moments we've posted, the friends we added, and everything we've learned will always remain in our profiles. Congratulations, everyone. And once again, welcome.